So your mind is keeping you intact with the visualization, and the art itself that you're creating is keeping you in touch with the visualization. So your focus, there's an intensity, so your visualization develops a certain level of clarity. Hence, you notice when you get into art, you find yourself, your ability to materialize reality, or your ability to manifest reality begins to increase exponentially. This exponential growth is a byproduct of how you are immersed into the art itself, because the art is like a ritual. It is a ritual. It's a ceremony, but it's an artistic ceremony. It's an artistic ceremony. It's an artistic ritual. And this is equivalent. We could parallel this phenomenon with it's prevalent amongst novelists, where they tend to realize that the protagonists in their movie materialize before their very eyes. So here you have a human being who supposedly had free will. Inadvertently, they're an unconscious instrument in a much grander orchestra. This person, like a conduit, just emerges into reality to fulfill this novelist character. You write in a book, the character in the book manifests before your eyes. It's a phenomenon. So art is a whole different metaphysical phenomena by itself. Phenomenological phenomena, the structure of consciousness and the human experience. So